So in our this where we stopped in our last video, we created a shapefiles, 3 shapefiles, polygon shapefile that we use to digitize the state boundary, and also point shapefile that we use to show the state capitals, and line shapefile which we use to digitize Nigerian main rivers. So today we are going to link a attribute information, that is which is Excel data with this data. So but one thing, let's have to look into the attribute information of our shapefile that we just created in the last tutorial. So this is that I have just entered some information in order to minimize the time. So but I have not done some, so let's do it now. So now let me click this so that I'll be able to know which state is that. Let me off those shape files. Okay, now I have to remove the color so that it's left with the only boundary, so that we'll be able to know to see the background. So you just double click, you come to this color, background color, you now just click on no color and you click apply. So this is Benue, so we are going to write Benue here, Benue. Then next, so you click on here, this is UB. So now we write the name UB Arcgis, then click on this Zamfara, Zamfara. I think that's all. We have entered almost the state names. We have entered almost all the state names. So now let's save. This is our primary key, so you need a two keys, two value, two field that you link the data. So this is our primary key, that is from our shapefile. Now let's save this and click on save our work. So now let's go and look at the secondary, the Excel data, and see. Now minimize this and go to Arcgis Pro, that is our main file, our main folder, and go to data, double click, then you have to open, double click the Excel data. So this is the Excel data. So the data is in decimal, so you have to remove the comma sign. You just click on here, because the data that is in Excel, the shapefile data, the value are they are integers, so it's not in decimal. So now you just come here and click general. Also here you remove, click on general to remove the comma. So now you save it in comma delimited. Click on file, save as desktop. We are going to give it a name and save it into our project folder. We are going to select this folder. So now we select save as type, comma delimited. Here click on this, select this. Now you now give it a suitable name. Population, maybe you say comma delimited, let's say CD. Don't always leave, don't forget, don't, it's not allowed, it's not good to be leaving space when you wanted to save a file. Comma delimited. Now let's say save. Just say okay, yes, and now close this file. Don't save, just say don't save. See, this is the file, this is our comma delimited file that we are going to import into our Arcgis. So now let's try to import the, so from here now we are going to import the Excel data. You just have to go to, click on save. So now go to map and click add data. The CD and click on OK. So it has been added. So now what left is we are to join the data. So you come here and click on this icon. So you go to join and relate table and click add join. So this is the shapefile we are going to join. So you select the field, which field you want to join using its name. This is the name we wanted to use to join the field. So now table, you as already automatic has selected the table, which is the field you want to use is state. That is the name of the state. If we look at inside our table for here, you see the state is the table name. Open. You see the state is that is the state name. That is the top. The field name is state, which contains the state names. So is the that is the our keys. That is the primary key and the secondary key. This is our primary key. This is our secondary key that we wanted to use to join the table. So now let's click on OK. It's running. If the join is validated, if it is correct, we are going to see that the two tables have been joined. So now let's right click and open the attribute to the shapefile attribute table. You can see it has been joined. You see this is the first for the shapefile, the names, and also this is the Excel data, which contains data females population and males population. So now we have joined the two attribute information, which include the Excel and also the our shape file. So now let's see which I think this is Plateau, this is Sokoto. So this come to the end of this tutorial. If the tutorial is benefit to you, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Bye bye.